In this video, I'm going to tell you how can you get Udemy free courses on any of the topic, whether you are using a mobile phone or a desktop version. So let's quickly start our video, but before that, make sure you subscribe and hit over the bell icon to get all the latest notifications regarding free courses, internships, certificates, job dates, tech updates, scholarships, test series, and much more. So let's talk about firstly desktop version. For that, you need to come over Udemy's official website, that is udemy.com. Now in the search bar, you need to type any of the topic for which you need a course. For example, I need a course over weight loss. So I type here weight loss and just hit enter. Now the page will load and it will show me all the courses which are available on weight loss. So you can see there are more than 3000 courses available on weight loss, but there are the courses which are free and paid both. Now for that you need to search in the filter option like for price option. So here is the price option. Here just you need to select for free, and after that the page will load and it will show me all the free courses which are available on the topic weight loss. But in some cases what happens, this price option is hidden by Udemy. This is not visible. In that case you can watch this video. I have explained if this price option is not enabled by Udemy, then also you can find the Udemy free courses. Now you can see 160 courses are free on weight loss. Now let me show you how can you enroll in any of the courses. For example, I want to enroll in this course. Now just click over this and the page will load and it will show me all the details regarding this course. So you can see now before we proceed, I want to tell you some important things, like there is a huge difference between Udemy paid courses and free courses. You won't get any certificate and you can't ask any question answer, means you can't remove any doubt in such free courses. But in paid one you will get a certificate and there will be a question answer sessions also. And if you are looking for Udemy paid courses, then you should subscribe our channel, because in my channel I daily upload the video in which I provide more than 50 courses which are paid and I provide them absolutely free of cost. So kindly subscribe our channel so that you can get paid courses also for free. Now let me tell you how can you enroll in such courses. You just need to hit over enroll now button. After that you just need to log in and sign up. If you are facing any problem during login sign up, then you can comment it down, I'll see. Just I am logging here through my Google account. You can also create an account through Google or Facebook also. So let me, now guys you can see I'm logged in the courses and I can pursue the course full. All the modules are unlocked and I can do full course. But here is the, I can't get the certificate and I can't ask any questions. This is something like a video lectures. So you can have this course. Now for mobile version you need an app, Udemy's app. You can easily find the app in the Play Store also, and I also provide the link in the description box. So after that you just need to download it and just open it. After that you can see the interface like this. The app will load here like this and you can see the interface. Now in the search you can search any option, like I need a course over Java. So I just click over there and you can see here is the list of the courses. Now you can see the option here. Here's the filter option. Now you just need to click over the filter option and now you just need to click apply and all the list will become here like free courses. Then in the same manner you can enroll in the any course. So here is the way for the mobile phone version. If you like the video, then hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and hit bell icon to get all the free courses. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share the video.